Alright everyone, I'm at Santa Ana station right now, and here's a quick overview of the OC streetcar station in the Santa Ana station. So far it looks a lot better than the last time I came here. You see, the station is right here. This is the update on March 2025. So I'm hoping the near future the OC streetcar will finally enter service, like after like a lot of time on this project. It took like forever already. So there's the yellow lines at the station, which I don't think I saw the last time I went here. Actually, maybe, but this station does look a lot improved. And I've noticed there's like a bunch of railroad crossings installed the last time I came here, and there's also the NEGE bells right there, if I'm correct. So my train arrives like in a few minutes, so let's do like a quick tour of this station. So there's a signal right there. Okay, right now there's like these blue things wrapped around the benches in this SARTC station. And there's the pedestrian crossing right there. There's like two pedestrian railroad crossing signals. And here's so here's a switch. Like there's like two different switches at the same spot, so I assume it's for like the OC streetcar to switch tracks if one track is already occupied. So let's check out the street over there. So right now we're at Santa Ana Boulevard, and there's Santiago Street. So we're at the railroad crossing right now where it enters the street running track. So this is a little update, like I said earlier. So here's a railroad crossing signal right here. It's a pedestrian crossing, of course, so I'm glad they installed pedestrian signals, because the last time I came to this place, they did not install the signals. So this is something new for me to experience today. And there is some overhead wires. Like, the only problem is like the OC streetcar tracks, like they're not fully electrified yet. So they still need to like install like the overhead wires, because OC streetcar is going to be powered by the Siemens like light rail or trolley vehicles. So it's gonna be powered by electric wire. So overhead wires, if you want to be exact. So there's a railroad crossing for Amtrak and Metrolink over there. The comment set is gonna run like later. It's probably gonna arrive at the time my train is also gonna arrive, but we're not gonna talk about that in this video, because that's gonna be for another video. So this is the traffic light, and there's like that trolley warning right there. But right now you don't have to worry about any like Siemens trolleys like running here, because the OC streetcar is not complete yet. They still need some changes. So I'll do another update video once like there's like overhead wires installed maybe. So I haven't done a Santa Ana OC streetcar update video for quite a while now. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.